Oh, hi everyone. In this video I'd like to talk about how did I apply to be one of student in Swansea University. In 2015, no, in 2016, around maybe May or June, like June 2016, suddenly I woke up at night and I thought, oh, I might try to apply to Swansea University. So I went online and I checked the Swansea University website, and apparently I had to apply through UCAS. UCAS, UCAS, is the website where all the British students usually apply to go to university. So I applied through UCAS, and then a few days later I've got the reply, and the Swansea University accepted me to study for aerospace engineering in year 1. However, in September 2016, my Open University as result didn't come out in the right time. You can check about my study in Open University in my previous video. So because I couldn't get my certificate of higher education on time before September 2016, so I decided to, instead of going to year 1, then I decided to study to study on foundation year level instead. So foundation year level is a foundation year that you can go or study like a year if in your A level you don't really have enough A's, or like you don't have enough GCSE levels that the university requires, so you can go to that. But because I didn't have my Open University certificate that time, so I decided to study foundation year. So actually UCAS, so I remember that I had to change my application in UCAS, and then they reply, I think they reply again and then accept me with foundation year. So I will talk to you about the foundation year I did in my next video. And I'm glad that actually I applied foundation year instead of going to year 1, and I know it will be like an extra year to study, but I'm happy I've done it. So sometimes I didn't expect it to study aerospace engineering, and UCAS helped me to choose which university that I wanted to go. I remember that I had another offer from another university in Swansea to start in year 1 even before I got my Open University certificate. But because I really want to go to Swansea University, hence I went to Swansea University and decided to do foundation year. And then that's because I really want to go study in Swansea University. Anyway, I'll speak to you next time again. Bye.